Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're gonna go over why does my dishwasher door no longer stay up, but now it just flops to the ground. Well, there's a couple of reasons for that. The first is your tension springs or wires or things like that are not, or broken or not working anymore. What I mean by that is, okay, this is your dishwasher, okay, and this is all you see, okay? Behind all of this, there are wires, springs, ropes, things along those lines that are being pulled to bring tension to keep this up. Now, this is not a job for someone who is not mechanically inclined, because to fix it, you're going to have to uninstall your dishwasher. See, normally, your dishwasher door should do something like this, and it should basically sit. Now, if your dishwasher goes whap like that, nonstop, you have issues with the closures. That we'll figure out in a minute, but basically this is not a job for most people to do, because if you look at it, even under here, you can't see what's going on. And even though we have the toe kick off of this one, you can't access anything under there. This thing has to be uninstalled to fix the problem. Like I said, this is not a job for someone who isn't real comfortable working with tools and water and electricity, because you've got water and electricity under here that you don't want to mess with unless you're absolutely really comfortable doing it. You're going to want to get a technician out or someone to fix it for you, just because it's safer and easier. And depends on if you like or dislike the unit, it may be time to get a new one, because it's not going to be overly expensive, but it's going to be probably a couple $100 to have someone come out and do it. So it may be thinking about, do I fix it or do I replace it? That's your decision, up to you, but just giving you some little information here. Like I said, what you want is your door should, do something like that or do something like this. Now this one, see, I can pull this out and I can access it, but yours has been attached and adhered to the cabinet, so this is something you're gonna have to uninstall. It's not the easiest job in the world. So if you want to do it, great, more power to you. You'll save yourself some money and you'll learn a little bit about your machine. Now we're gonna go over what it looks like and what parts you're looking for. So as I was talking about earlier, there's a reason why your door's flopping open. The reason is most all manufacturers have some sort of spring and wire system, okay? This is what gives it the tension to not flop open. Now what can happen is my spring can break, my rope can break, my tensioner can break. What happens is, if you take it off, and obviously we're going to pretend our spring broke on this one. Now, when I open my door, see, it just flops down hard, okay? And that is why the doors, they have one on each side, left and right. You need both of them to keep the door from slamming down. So it could be the right side, it could be the left side. Don't know. Unfortunately, that's where you would have to uninstall it, figure out which one it is, and put it back together again. Now, if you're going to do that, you probably want to do both, just because I'm not saying the other side is weaker, this side is stronger, but you want to keep it together. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but my advice would be to do them both at the same time. Now, putting it back on isn't rocket science, okay? There are videos that will show you how to, do this and uninstall it, okay? But basically, you just follow the, the line, okay? Then it goes back here, and then I just hook it up back there again, and now, voila, it sits where it wants to, okay? And like I said, whether it doesn't matter the manufacturer, they all have some sort of spring tension that keeps it from falling, okay? But like I said, it's pretty basic, pretty easy. Now, on this design, one of these could have broke. If one of these breaks, same principle. There's not enough tension, okay? So if you're not comfortable uninstalling and repairing your unit, call someone out. They are a little bit expensive because they do have to uninstall the unit and they have to reinstall the unit and they have to check for water, the whole 9 yards, leakage. But that is why your door keeps flopping open. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back for some more wonderful information, and have a good day.